Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to set Teams background image. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Setting a custom background image in Microsoft Teams for video calls can make your meetings more professional or personalized. Here's how you can set a background image in Microsoft Teams before or during a meeting. Firstly, launch the Teams application on your PC. Now, follow the prompts to create meeting. As you're joining a meeting, you will see the option to configure your video settings. Before you join, click on the three dots, the More, then click on Background Effects, which is located on the right side of the screen, next to the video button. Now, choose your background, blur. To simply blur your background, choose the blur option. Add new background. To use a custom image, scroll to the bottom of the available images and you will see an option to add a new image by clicking on Add New. You can then upload the image you want from your PC. Preloaded images. Teams also provides a variety of preloaded images that you can choose from. Simply click on one to choose it. After selecting your background, simply click Apply and join now to enter the meeting with your new background. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.